Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can limit the row in Power BI desktop. So whenever we are receiving the millions of records in Power BI, when we are importing the data, the performance will be very slow whenever we are creating calculated column measures, visualization. So to do it in an effective way, what we will be doing is in the data source level, we will be restricting the data, or else what we can do is we can create a parameter in Power Query and we can restrict the data while developing the report. Once it is done, what we can do, we can increase the count of the rows in Power BI service so that the data whatever it is available in the original record, it will be displayed in the Power BI service. So this way, the when we are creating a parameter and when we are restricting the data, the performance of the report will be easy. When we are developing the report, it will be easy for us when we are creating the reports, and the original data will be reflected in the Power BI service level. So we can see how we can do that. For that, for creating a parameter, what we need to do is we need to go to transform data, click on transform data. In the home section, we can see keep rows here. So if we click this fact table, right, we can see keep rows here. So through that we can restrict the data. But before that, what we need to do is we need to create a parameter. So we can go to home, click on this manage parameter, click on new parameter. Here type as row limit and type as decimal number. So here, whatever the values, whatever the count we need to give, in this particular fact table, we are having 900 rows. In this, for example, I am saying if we are receiving millions of records like this, we can do. But as of now, I have only 900 records in this fact table. So now what I am doing is I am restricting the data only to the count of 100. 100 row count only I needed. So I'm giving 100 here and I'm clicking OK. So once it is done, we need to go to fact table, click on any of the column, go to key rows here, and then click on keep top rows. Here give some value because we need this step to update the parameter. So type any number, click OK. And then this step had been created, right? In that, what we need to do is we need to go to advanced editor now. So in this step, keep first row step, we can see the parameter value as 10 here. In that we need, the value as 10 here. So we need to update the parameter name here now. We have created this, right? Row limit as parameter. So row limit we need to give. So row limit we need to give. So whatever the value which we have given here, it will reflect here. Give done. Then click close and apply. If you can see 971 total orders are there. In real case, there will be a millions of records. So I have restricted to the parameter to 100, right? 100 row count. So here it shows like now after refreshing, it should show 100 here. It's buffering, it's taking some time. So for 100 only, it is taking this much of time, right? For millions of records, the either the Power BI desktop will hang or it will the some error will display. So that case, for that purpose, what we are doing, we are restricting the data. So if you can see here, the total orders is now displaying it as 100 here. And now what we need to do, we need to publish after preparing all the visualization, whatever we required, right? After developing the report, we can publish this particular report in the service wherever we require. So now only for the development purpose, we are keeping only the 100 records. But when we are sending it to the user, there should be a original data, right? For that purpose, what we can do is here I have created Power BI practice. So in this workspace, I am publishing it again. So it's published now. So if you can see here in service also, the order will be 100. Uh, if you go to the report now. So if you can see here in service also, the total order count is 100 here. But we need the original data, right? I have said you like 900 records are there. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go to this semantic model, go to this more option, click on this setting. In that, what we need to do, we need to go to parameter. Here we can see the row count. This is the parameter which we have created in Power Query Editor. So in row count parameter, we can increase the count here. So like rows or how many billions or millions records you needed, right? You can increase like this. So I'll add the 0 like this, and I'll just click on apply. So already I have created a gateway here. I'm just connecting that. In some other video, we can see how we can create the gateway. So now I am connecting this. So MySQL sales data gateway I have created. So I am selecting that. So once it is done, what we can do, we can go to the workspace and we can refresh um, the semantic model. So why we are doing this is in service, the refresh timing will be less. But when we are developing it, the refresh timing and whatever the transformation which we are doing, it will take some time and it will throw an error. So that's why we are restricting the data in Power BI desktop, and we in service, we are increasing the count to see the original data. So if you can see here, the refresh is going on. Now the refresh it's been done. If you can go to the report now, we should see the 900 records now because we have increased the row limit, right? So if you can see 971 total orders are available now. So this is how we need to restrict the row limit in Power BI desktop, and we can increase the limit in Power BI service. So this will be the effective way when we are developing the reports. Hope this information is useful to you all. Thank you.